Body parts, in German it's called Körperteile. Head, der Kopf. Hair, das Haar for Singular. Die Haare for Plural. Forehead, die Stirn. Ear, das Ohr for Singular. Die Ohren for Plural. Eye, das Auge for Singular. Die Augen Plural. Nose, die Nase. Mouth, der Mund. Chin, das Kinn. Cheek, die Wange. Body parts, in German it's called Körperteile. Neck, der Hals. Shoulder, die Schulter. Collarbone, das Schlüsselbein. Chest, die Brust. Stomach, der Bauch. Waist, die Taille. Hip, die Hüfte. Arm is in German der Arm. Forearm, in German der Unterarm. Elbow, in German der Ellenbogen. Hand is in German die Hand. Wrist is called in German das Handgelenk. Finger in German is called der Finger. Thigh is in German der Oberschenkel. Knee in German is called das Knie. Leg is in German das Bein for Singular, die Beine for Plural. Foot is called in German der Fuß. Toe is called in German der Zeh for Singular. Die Zehen is for Plural.